This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Ford Cougar Titanium, stock reference number 4096. The shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2 litres 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle sustained damage in the left-hand side and the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 19-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's a power type. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, Sony single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.